doesn't always have to be the big game changer. Sometimes a small tool that saves you 5 minutes every day is more than enough. And that is exactly what these small helpers for universal robots are all about. For example, with this tool, I can move the robot step by step, either through the individual joints or directly in the TCP coordinate system. I simply select the required step size, for example 5 or 10 millimeters, press start, and then move the robot precisely in defined increments. Especially during setup, testing, or commissioning, a small function like this can be extremely useful. Instead of trying to position the robot accurately with the standard jogging controls, I can simply move it by an exact predefined distance. The interface also allows me to open important websites and documentation directly. This saves a few clicks and avoids having to search for the same pages again and again. Another useful feature is the option to execute the robot program step by step. I do not always have to press play and run the entire program immediately. Instead, I can test each step individually and see exactly what the robot is going to do next. I can also display the current status of the signals and, when necessary, manipulate them directly. Especially during commissioning, this can help you move forward much faster because you do not always have to wait for the PLC or another external system. Even in automatic mode, I can display the currently active program step live. This means I am no longer completely blind, as Universal Robots normally intends, and I can immediately see exactly where the robot is within the program. And of course, one very important feature cannot be missing: the current time and date. Because anyone who has ever programmed or commissioned a robot also wants to know when it is finally time for lunch or when the working day is over. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.